Shisin kmi I kuma ki jingiakhih ke skulbah Nehu kim kutshu. Hading jingiakhih persya ke NDP mentapat mi sebagai non-cooperation movement. Ti Balei yaki ke Joint Action Committee Nehu persya UVC wat hadian balapoi sebagai jingis tu jingmud halor ke NDP. Manu tau Rohit Prasad ubala sya dawa wengkam no bat Balei penbena jingiakhih ke GAC Nehu. Katu kani sengi hadian belala ban penbej yaki kenrum kenram ke bami nakaji kenat hapadeng Vice Chancellor jongka North Eastern Hill University baga kenhun keno hikai Nehu halor kejing bentreka ke National Education Policy lani ke NEP hak jela ke skulbah Nehu menta kelas saki sakwai per kejing ki kata kejing dawa daga Joint Action Committee ke bakenthup ke Nehu ta Nehu su bat Nehun sa banweng kamno sendan yu technical officer babarru kumu senior consultant Rohit Prasad balakenno bulayo ikni ke kam dak bus penrung tu hene ke sengi keladon ke jingi hala baga jingi tur daga GAC ska kamera trekam jong Rohit Prasad ban khang tala sendan ke kamera jong u nakadaw jong jing skap minthi jong VC banweng kam yo new technical officer.
Rohit Prasad get lost! Get lost! Get lost! Rohit Prasad get lost! Get lost! Get lost! Please come up. Come up. We'll barge in. Otherwise we have to barge in. Please take your belongings and get out.
Ke GAC hapo ke jingilam jong President u Professor Lakhon kama kila litur sa kamera jong Rohit bandawa yu Rohit ban ai yu shabi jong ka kamera. Ayu shabi ngimdan AA benekren bat me memdan benta AA hendihu penpa yu shabi dawa Professor Lakhon daka jing bitar daka jing saptieng Rohit ula penpa yu shabi maka GAC kala dawaru yu banmi no sendan daka kuatar jong u omdang kani ke GAC kala dep ban penbenaru ban penlong ke non cooperation movement bat sedang ke jingba mishim benta ke academic council meeting ke basis pa khatway ke GAC kala dawa UVC ban penurlong yaki jing dawa jongki ki badang sakut nalor ke jing wengkam no mardor yu Rohit nalor kani ki we ki jing dawa ki kenthop ki jing thap kam nak benta ki post statutory officers wo engineer jong university wo director jong CDC ke GAC kala penpa ru ki jing sokhya halor ki jing duna ba jing ihar arsut ke health center hakani skulbah nakada ki jing bombiang ki tiar gitar ki dawa ki dashen barkum ta terter susu kala dawa pela jika advertisement nak benta ki non teaching post ke jing thiet ki chemical bat ki we ki tiar ki badan kam ki laboratory dagi khnale research ke jing penlong tikna ki convocation barkum ta terter dak ba penrem jur ya ke jing sngap man man jong VC halor ki jing dawa jong ki ke GAC kala berngem banang pen klan ki jing ki jong ki hagi singi banwan.
This is our university. We can't allow it to go to drain and somebody driving it to the drain. That is what we are going to fight for, and we'll make sure that from now on, starting from today, and of course we have started it many months ago, we will make sure that whoever sits in that chair, he functions his duty like he has been appointed for. If a Vice Chancellor has been appointed for, he is supposed to discharge his duty as a Vice Chancellor following Nehu Act, Statute, Ordinance, Rules and Regulations, and also abide by the UGC regulations that are present there.